Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Tesla. It's a weekly update. I am doing this weekly update for last few weeks now. So let's look at the chart and see what went on with this stock for last week. It still came under selling pressure last week as well, and it's posting almost 35% gain since it's added to the tracker back in November. At some point, this stock was now trading around 100% gain, and it gave up quite a bit. So let's look at the chart and see what went on last week and where this stock now go from here. And depending upon the situation, we can look at to see whether this stock is still a buy or a sell or a hold at this price level. And we can also look at some calls for this guy. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the information are recorded out there, so you can refer it whenever you want. Please check out all our social media sites for alerts. We will put the alerts every now and then. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. And as always, let's start with the website tracker. This stock is now added to the tracker back in November 17 when it was trading around $441. And as of today, it's closed a little less than $600 and posting almost like 35% gain. And if you come down, there is a small profit loss projection table for you. And this stock is now still in an open position because it's still posting over 20% gains since it's added to the tracker. So let's see how things plays out in next week. And if you come down, there's a secondary entry point table for you. So the last entry was around February 12 when it was trading around 816, and the maximum entry was 856, and the stop loss is 750. So this stock would have been closed from the secondary position as it posted loss below 750. So you might have hit the stop loss. So this stock might have been closed from the secondary entry point as well. So let's look at the chart and see what went on last week. And you guys are looking at the weekly setting for Tesla. I like the weekly settings because it eliminates a lot of daily noise and give you some kind of clear picture for a short-term trading anywhere between a week to 3 months to 6 months. And the indicator that I follow is the 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average. And if the gap between the 10-week and the 50-week is so huge, you can use the 25-week moving average as the intermediate point. So it will give you some kind of reference to know for trading. So it was added, it was like a secondary entry point. It was giving a secondary entry point as of last week is because of during February it's almost found support at the 25-week moving average. But as of last week, it closed, it came down below that line, but it closed almost a little below that line. So as of now, this stock is not a buy or a sell. And if you happen to have bought this stock at this price level around 400 or 500 price range, you can still hold it. But as of now, if you want to buy it, you can buy with a small bullet buy. Do not go overboard with it, and definitely now do not go overboard with your buying. So as of now, the stock is now stalling. So I like the stocks to now go sideways at least for next few weeks and consolidate and like this, and hold on to this 500 to 600 price range. So as of now, the support is around $500 price range, and the resistance is around here 665 or 700. That is the range we are looking at. So hopefully this stock will consolidate on this price range for next couple of weeks. If it is consolidated right here, that would be great news. As long as if it is volatile, we cannot make much sense out of what's going on with this stock. So hopefully it will consolidate between 500 to 700 price range, and hopefully it offers another solid entry point, one like this here. So as of now, this stock is now kind of stalling. So if you want to buy, do a small pallet buy. Do not overboard with it. And if you shorting the stock, that is fine too. But go for a quick profit and do not hang on to it. So it might come to $500 price level. I hope it won't go any down below that, because the 50-week moving average around 450 price range. So I hope it may not go to that level. Hopefully it will settle at the 500 if all this goes down, and hopefully it get resistance around the 700 price range and consolidate here quite a bit for next few more weeks and offer some kind of entry point like that. So as far as the options are concerned, still I'll be looking at the April options, but as of now, do not go anything with the options, because you may want to look at the 700, 800 price range. Those are decently priced, but they came down quite a bit last week. So if the stocks stalls here for next couple of weeks and not moving anywhere, or it goes down, these options may be giving up more. So as of now, I will be just hold on doing anything with this stock. So let it consolidate for a few more weeks around here and see whether it offers any kind of entry point like this one and rally from that point onwards. Okay, as of now, Tesla is not a super buy, and if you happen to have this stock with some gains, just hold on to it. And if you're trying to short this stock, that is fine too, but to go for a quick profit. And if you looking at the options, just wait on it, let the stock consolidate for next few more weeks and let the option price get stabilized. Then probably you can look at some calls for this case for April, if at all, or May. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick video, and I'll put the tracker link in the description section of the video. It will get updated at the end of the day with stock closing price. And please check out all the website for all kind of information. Please check out all our social media sites for alerts, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. And have a great weekend.